Hello, and welcome to this video on Google Bard AI, a game changer in the AI market. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Google Bard AI is, how it works, and what makes it so special. So, let's get started. What is Google Bard AI? Google Bard AI is a natural language processing, NLP, AI model developed by Google. It is designed to generate high-quality poetry and prose in a variety of styles and genres. Bard uses deep learning techniques, including recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to analyze and understand the patterns and structures of language and then generate new text based on that analysis. How does Google Bard AI work? Bard uses a technique called machine learning to analyze and understand the patterns and structures of language. This involves training the AI model on a large dataset of existing poetry and prose, allowing it to learn the patterns and structures of language. Once the model has been trained, it can generate new text based on that analysis. Bard uses a technique called deep learning, which involves the use of neural networks to analyze and understand language. Specifically, Bard uses recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to analyze and generate text. RNNs are a type of neural network that can process sequences of data, making them well suited for analyzing language, which is inherently sequential. What makes Google Bard AI special? Google Bard AI is special for a few reasons. Firstly, it is capable of generating high-quality poetry and prose in a variety of styles and genres. This makes it a valuable tool for poets, writers, and other creative professionals who are looking to generate new ideas and inspiration. Secondly, Bard is capable of learning and adapting to new styles and genres of writing. This means that as the AI model is trained on more and more data, it will become even better at generating high-quality text in a variety of styles and genres. Finally, Google Bard AI is an example of how AI can be used to enhance human creativity, rather than replace it. While Bard is capable of generating high-quality text, it still requires a human to provide the initial input and direction. Applications of Google Bard AI. Google Bard AI has a wide range of applications in the creative industries. For example, it could be used to generate new ideas for advertising copy or marketing campaigns. It could also be used to create personalized greeting cards or other types of personalized content. In addition, Google Bard AI could be used to help people with writer's block or other creative challenges. By generating new ideas and inspiration, Bard could help people overcome creative barriers and develop new and innovative content. In conclusion, Google Bard AI is a game changer in the AI market. It is capable of generating high-quality poetry and prose in a variety of styles and genres, and it has a wide range of applications in the creative industries. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in the world of art and creativity. What applications can you think of for Google Bard AI beyond the creative industries? Please feel free to leave your answer in the comment box below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching this video on Google Bard AI, a game changer in the AI market. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on AI and technology.